Hey guys, welcome back to ep3. We just got 500 coins. That's awesome. All right, let's get into it. Good job, guys. We got the S in Subway. What is this? Jetpack Joyride? Dude, is that a pogo stick? That's crazy. Oh, dude, we got the U in Subway. That's awesome. Nice going, guys. Oh, that was really close, guys. Good job. So honestly, guys, that was my bad. I've never messed up like that before, and you know, I think the quality of videos really come down to this, and I think I'm gonna try better to make content for you guys. I feel bad. Yeah, guys, remember to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.